Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? As for me, I am doing great by the grace of God, and I hope the grace is working out for you guys also. So today I have my chimani recipe for you guys my way. So here I have my black eye paste, some potasse. Here, this is the potasse. If you are African, I know you know what is some potasse. So and my onion, salt, and chicken bouillon. So first of all, I'll go ahead and strain my potasse that I diluted in water earlier. So I will strain it to get away all the residue, the dust or whatever from the potasse. And now I'll go ahead and add my clean beans to my food processor, my onion, salt, and chicken bouillon, all of them together. And I added my potasse diluted in water, my potasse water, and here I am blending them all together. So it's blending. So here you go, it's ready now. So with this, I will go ahead and oil some of my baking sheet, my baking pan. You can use any kind of mold that you have. You can use the little ones. I have the little ones, but I will need my big cat pot to cook it. So I just prefer use this and use my skillet inside. So whatever you use to cook this is gonna be fine. So here I added a little bit of oil. Usually they don't add some oil to this, but I like to add some oil to it to have the fluffy and moist chimani, because that's what I want. I don't want it dry in my mouth. I hate that. So here I am adding some water to my skillet, and I dropped my chimani inside, cover it up. Here after 25 minutes, here you go, it's not ready yet, so I'll go ahead and cover it up for 10 more minutes. While it's cooking, I will prep my topping for my chimani. This is how we do it back home. So you just slice some onion. My white onion were sliced, and I added to some hot oil. I'll go ahead and I'll stir it until the onion is well caramelized. So here is my chimani ready. I'll let it cool down, and I will cut it in some small, medium, or bigger size, whatever size you want. And here the topping is already done. I just need more of the brown color of it, and then that is ready. And now we use some powder chili for it, and I will show you in another video how I prep my powder chili. So that's it. That is all. Is really good, really nutritious, guys. I hope you love this video. If you like it, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. Share, subscribe. Bye bye.